Welcome to this small demonstration of the GM LR250 rewinder. This rewinder is a clever one. It has some built-in features that makes your daily life in label rewinding more easy. First of all, when you are delivering labels on a roll, you need to ensure that you have all labels on the roll. So this machine has a built-in missing label feature. You can check labels in two ways, either with a clever sensor as this machine, or you can install a video inspection camera. A video camera has significantly more cost. So we are doing the same with a simple sensor. I'm going to make a quick demonstration of how this missing label system works. First of all, you need to tell the machine how long your label is. We have put in a particularly tricky label here. It's only 49 millimeters and the web is only roughly 15 millimeters wide. So it's not an easy label for a rewinder. Small web width and a lot of close labels, that's tricky. You can of course always use the machine for more basic labels like this one, but we wanted to show a difficult label in this demonstration. So now we have set the machine for missing label. What the machine will do is it's going to accelerate to a high production speed of 200 meters per minute, and then it will stop, find the arrow and place it right here for your operator to change it. So I'm going to remove a label to simulate a fault. I'll take one out here. Label is away. We will see if it works. So I'm ramping the machine up. And now the machine detected the fault. It will then go back and the computer will calculate the exact position of the arrow, and then it will place the arrow on the splice table. And now your operator can replace the label. So I'm going to do that. I'm not very good at this, but let's see. We'll give it a spin more. Now the machine will do a recheck. So it will check if the label was actually replaced in a good way. And it was accepted. The machine is then continuing, accelerating to full speed. Another unique feature about this machine is tension separation. This machine has a nip in the middle, so you can rewind with one tension and unwind with another tension. This is very important when you're running thin, sensitive materials or materials on a PET liner. Another nice feature is the built-in web guidance. So if you have a roll on the machine that has a bad edge, the Webguide will take care of this and make sure you deliver a perfect roll quality. The machine is prepared for more advanced features. If you don't like the simple missing label detector here, but you need a more advanced detector that also look at the print, you can install a video camera here, and the machine has a prepared input for stop from an external video system. You can also install a small inkjet system so you can do back numbering or other value adding features on this machine. Finally, we can supply a table to the machine so you can have it lifted up and down to fit your operator's height. All in all, this is a premium piece of kit. It's a rewinder that can deliver efficient production in everyday label life. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and see our tech channel. Thank you for watching.